Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you're enjoying your vacations. Today we are going to make a beautiful bookmark which you can present your mothers as a token of love. So let's begin our activity. First, take a piece of chart paper, draw a shape of a pencil. And cut it out carefully. Take any 4 colors of formic sheet and draw different flowers on them. After cutting, apply some glue on each flower. Place them at different points on the surface of your pencil. When you are done with that, make a hole with the help of a punch machine like this on the top of the pencil. Then take a small piece of a thread and pass through a hole. Tie a knot carefully. This brings us to the end of our activity. Hope you have enjoyed doing it. Thank you.